Students, today I am going to teach you Unit 3 Deep Water. The lesson has been written by William Douglas. We will see the main points and after then I think you will be able to understand the story. Before I start the story, I want to say something about the lesson. This is an autobiographical lesson and the lesson has been taken from a book. The name of the book is Of Man and Mountains. That is the name of the book. The first point, now I am going to start the story. Let us see all the points one by one. The first point is, when the author was 10 or 11 years old, he decided to learn swimming. But there was also a river at Yakima. Yakima is the name of a place where the writer was living. The writer decided to go to a swimming pool. There was a swimming pool at Yakima and the name of that swimming pool, YMCA swimming pool. The author was thinking that it was full of safe to go there instead of going to river, because it was a small pool, a swimming pool, and the pool was 2 or 3 feet deep at one side and 9 feet deep at the other side. Why the author decided to go to a swimming pool and not go to the river? There was one reason. The reason was the writer's previous bad, fearful experience. Writer remembered that when he was 3 or 4 years old, at that time, one day he was gone with his father. His father had taken him to a beach at California. At that time, a big wave came and the writer was feeling as if he was sinking in the water. That experience was very fearful. At that time, father was laughing, but he had the fear and he could not forget that fear. The effect of that fear was always there in the mind of the author. And that's why he had a kind of dislike for the water. So this was, we can say, also one important reason the writer had selected the swimming pool and not selected the river. Now when the writer came near the swimming pool, what is the name of swimming pool? You just remember, YMCA swimming pool. That is the name of the swimming pool. When the writer went there, he had a fear. He was waiting that let other people come, let other children come. After then I will go in swimming pool. He was thinking like this. At that time, he had seen a strong 18 years old boy. He came near the writer and he threw him in the swimming pool. Now the writer did not know how to swim, and that's why the writer was feeling suffocation. He was not able to take the breath. The water entered in his nose and he was thinking that he would die. The writer made a plan. He was thinking that when my legs would touch the tiles, bottom tiles, after then I will make a jump. But his plan did not success, and he became fainted. He became unconscious. When he got consciousness, at that time he found that boy. He found himself out of the swimming pool. He saw that strong boy near him, and that strong boy was telling to the writer that actually he was making a fun. He was just pulling him. That boy wanted to say to the writer that actually it was not his bad purpose. He was only just making a fun After then, the fear of water was so terrific in the mind of writer that whenever he would see any such place, water place, that fear arise in his mind, and he stopped to go to such places. He stopped to go to the river, to the lake, etc. The author decided that I should win at anyhow, I should win this fear of water. And he started the efforts. The author's efforts to win the fear of water. He hired an instructor, and the instructor was teaching him swimming. The writer was doing very hard work. He was practicing 5 days a week. Every day 1 hour, and in this way he was making practice of swimming. The instructor put a safety belt, and that belt was attached with the rope, and with the good guidance of instructor, the writer at last could learn swimming. Not only swimming, but he could also remove the fear of water. But it had taken too much time, nearly 3 months. After 3 months, the fear was gone, and the writer could conquer the fear of water. So the whole lesson is about the writer's swimming experience. I have told you in a very short manner the main points, but in detail we will see in the next video. Thank you.